channel. I've collected Argos for a very long time, spent a lot of money on their fragrances. So even if a house like that, whether it's Argos or somebody else who I've collected before, ever does send me something for free, you guys already know that I've spent a lot of money on them collecting them and love the house already. So it wouldn't affect my opinion, but yes, I did have to pay for the Sacred Flame release, so this is not like a free gift from Argos or anything like that. I did just get a chance to get it early. So one thing about Argos that I always love, it's so worth it to buy direct from them. Look at just the way they package the fragrances, the attention to detail. I'll share a brief story of last year when I think I put Neiman Lion and Triumph of Bacchus Extrait in my cart. I was just so excited because I wanted Neiman Lion for quite some time, saw that it was back in stock, rushed to put it in my cart along with the Triumph of Bacchus Extrait, and completely forgot to select the samples that I wanted to receive. So Argos actually went through, it looked like my order history, and sent me a bunch of samples that I had not had from them previously. So that just shows the attention to detail. They could have easily just said, oh, well, he didn't select any samples, he didn't want any, but they went out of their way to look at what I ordered, send me samples that were obviously different from what I had ordered in the past. And this just shows the attention to detail from Argos, the way they package, the way they wrap the fragrances, just everything about them, the customer service, A+ all the way across the board for Argos. Just their willingness to go the extra mile to make the customer happy and also make it feel like a true experience when you get one of their fragrances in. So I don't know about you guys, I already did one unboxing video with Argos. For me personally, you almost feel just a slight bit guilty opening these things up because they are just so beautifully done. And that's just how it goes if you want to get the fragrance, but the wrapping and the care that they take with these is just absolutely incredible. So we'll go ahead and we'll get this open here. Bear with me, these are unedited videos, so it's not one of those things to where, if I mess it up, it's just gonna take a little bit longer, and that's kind of how it goes here. So, Sacred Flame. Look at that. I always love the boxes from Argos as well. They're very sturdy, very thick, metallic type of cardboard. Just very, very luxurious feeling all the way throughout the fragrances. So, I believe the story on this one is something to do more with Prometheus and the god of fire, and the way Zeus got angry about Prometheus giving man the gift of fire. And if you guys know Greek mythology, he tied Prometheus to a rock, had a raven or an eagle, I believe it was, eat out his liver, and then every night the liver would grow back, so he'd have to endure the exact same fate the next day for all of eternity. So it's a good lesson for all of us out there. Don't ever make Zeus mad, because he's pretty creative with his punishments. So we'll go ahead. Now, if you've never ordered a direct fragrance from Argos before, everything should feel tight. The way the saran wrap is on the packaging, even getting the package out, like you look at the first time, very tight fitting in the cardboard there. So this is it, guys, Sacred Flame. Now, just reading the notes on this fragrance is one of the reasons I wanted to purchase it, not just because it was a new Argos fragrance. It really seems like it's going to be a citrus-forward, spicy, floral, resiny, warm fragrance. Just looking at the notes, I cannot wait. It looks like you got peach, tangerine, grapefruit, clove, ginger, just a lot of things that I really enjoy in the top notes. And of course, you've got some opompanax and other stuff of that nature. Let me see if I can just go through the notes for you real quick. So bergamot, peach, tangerine, ginger, grapefruit, pepper tree in the top. So again, citrus, spicy opening, but of course we'll get to that when I do the first impressions. You got rose, tuberose, cinnamon bark, violet, jasmine, orris, patchouli in the mid notes. So again, you get a little bit of that floral kind of mid note in there, which for me, Argos is famous for. Nobody does florals quite like Argos. Just beautiful stuff by them. Amber, sandalwood, benzoin, opompanax, tonka, vetiver, cashmere, and vanilla for the base notes. So again, as you would expect from Argos, just absolutely beautiful packaging. And we'll go ahead and give this a kind of first impression here. Oh man, yeah, I can already tell out of the bottle I'm gonna really enjoy it. Do a little bit on the back of the hand. Exactly like I would expect from reading the notes, but even better. Very, very warm, resinous fragrance.